In this video, you'll learn how to buy Litecoin using MoonPay. This guide will walk you through each step to make the process straightforward and efficient. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the MoonPay website. Ensure that you are on the correct page by looking for the MoonPay logo and the title that indicates you are on the cryptocurrency buying platform. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Buy. This is typically found prominently on the home page, directing you to the section where you can purchase cryptocurrencies. After that, click on the option that says Buy Crypto. This will take you to a screen where you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Once this appears, look for the button that says Select Assets. Clicking this will prompt a list of available cryptocurrencies to choose from. Next, click on the section labeled Popular Tokens. This will help you quickly find the cryptocurrency you want to buy, including Litecoin. After that, click on the search icon. This is usually represented by a magnifying glass and will allow you to enter the name of the cryptocurrency directly. Type in Litecoin into the search bar. As you type, suggestions may appear to help you select Litecoin quickly. Once you see Litecoin in the suggestions, click on it to select it. This action confirms that you want to buy Litecoin specifically. Now, type in the amount of Litecoin you want to purchase. Ensure that you are aware of the current market price, as this will affect the total cost. After entering the amount, click on Continue with Litecoin. This will take you to the next step of the purchasing process. Next, you will see a confirmation screen for your order. Click on Confirm Order to proceed with your transaction. Once you confirm, click on the Buy button to finalize your purchase. This action initiates the payment process. Now, you will need to choose your payment method. Click on the option labeled Pay With to see your available payment options. After that, a message will appear prompting you to choose how to pay. Review the options provided. Next, click on Apple Pay if you wish to use this method. Alternatively, you can select debit card or credit card, depending on your preference. Once you've selected a payment method, a message indicating the total amount to pay will appear. Review this amount to ensure it is correct. Now, click on Deliver To specify where you want your Litecoin to be sent. This step is crucial for ensuring that your purchase is directed to the right wallet. Finally, click on Pay to complete your transaction. This action processes your payment and will initiate the transfer of Litecoin to your specified wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.